Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about the Trammel of Archimedes. This is a really cool tool that can help you create complex designs and assemblies in SOLIDWORKS. So let's get started. What is the Trammel of Archimedes? The Trammel of Archimedes is a geometric construction that was invented by the ancient Greek mathematician Archimedes. It consists of two perpendicular rods that are connected by a third rod, which can slide up and down. By moving the third rod, you can create a wide range of curves and shapes. In SOLIDWORKS, it is a great assembly and animation exercise. I will start right away in the assembly environment. All right, let me stop my animation here and start that file, an assembly file. Okay. I'll start with an empty assembly. Save that. Archimedes, AR. And start modeling top down, new part on the top plane with a center rectangle. And make those two sides equal and one dimension 122. Go into extrude, our region here, 18 millimeters. Okay. Call that part base. Give it some distinctive color, which will be shown in the assembly environment. And make another sketch on that face. Again, center rectangle. Another one. Make those two sides equal and a dimension of 22. And that'll be an extruded cut. That one, that one, that one, those 5, all right? And that'll be just 8 millimeters. And that's it for that part. Exit the part environment. We're back in the assembly. Control B rebuilds our part. And make that next component. Pick that face. Again, a center rectangle. Here, have a look at it. Top view. Make that corner coincident with that edge and give it an overall length of 44 millimeters. And then extrude that. Those 8 millimeters, sounds good. Call that part, rename slider. And again, some nice color. Bluish. And one more sketch on that face. Just a circle. The origin with a dimension of 12 millimeters. Extrude that 8 millimeters. That's okay. Accept that. And now let's have a look. The mates we get, that's for our first part, the base. We'll leave that. The next one we will suppress But first, let's get rid of our external references. Go to that option, break those connections, close that, suppress that. See how that is free, and constrain that the way we want. And that is that face with that face, and that face with that one. See what we did? All right, that is what we wanted. Save that, Control S, and make another one of those, which will go in that direction. So Control, left mouse button makes a copy, and constrain that. So that face with that one, and the bottom face with that top face. All right. So that is going that way. That is that way. Okay, so the next step is to define our rod that connects those two pieces. And so we need to position those the way and the distance we want. So I'm going to position this one with that face, and that one here with that center. Let's see what face on that slider, that first one, the right plane with that face. Okay. And that slider 2, addition 2, is that right plane with, in the base, our top plane. Accept that, go out of there, and then make that new part starting from that face and converting that edge and that one, then offsetting those two, that one, 3 millimeters. Okay, and one more time. That one, 3 millimeters. Okay. Let's draw another center rectangle here. I'll leave it here. And constrain that with that center point, make coincident. One more time. That edge with that circle, coincident. All right, it's fully constrained. Let's see, in that sketch tool, we got that perimeter circle. Let's see how that goes. Here, no. Let's constrain it here with those edges. Let's take that edge, tangent, that one, tangent, one more time, that one, here, fully constrained. So now feature, extrude, pick those regions, that one, here, over there. 8 millimeters sounds okay. That sketch, we want to leave it selectable. Here, I'll show it, and here. So extrude that region 28, why not? Let's rename that part. Rename rod. Give it some nice color. What about that one? Okay. And Go back into our assembly. Do that thing with the external references again. Break all. Okay. Close. Suppress our in place mate. Hide that sketch. Here. Control S for saving. Mates. Pick that face. That one. Concentric. One more time. That one. That one. Concentric. That face. That one. Yeah. That's it. Okay, so nothing is moving because we get those two coincident mates here. Suppress those. See how that is going, and yeah, that's what we want, right? But I'm doing that with my left mouse button, and we want to animate that really. So I'll go into the motion study and go into the motor here, rotary motor. Pick that face here. Dial that down to maybe something slow to 12 RPM. Go into motion study properties. Get that up to maybe 25 to some smooth motion. And maybe see that in a loop. Calculate the motion study, and there it is, huh? Okay, I hope you like that and talk to you soon.